This is David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage in Sioux Falls. Be sure to join us every Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. Central Time for our 5 and 5 live broadcast. You're sure to find great information there. Be sure to invite your friends and family to our 5 and 5 live broadcast every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. If you're a landlord or a tenant, you want to have certain tools in your toolkit, if that's the right expression, regarding home insurance, home warranties, and just a general knowledge about your property and the flood risks that might be associated with your property, whether you have a slab-on grade home or a walkout basement or a garden level basement or a full basement. There's just certain things that you need to know. On the page that this gets posted to, in the future we'll have some additional content. We'll have some video from one of our home inspectors. He'll be talking to you about what to look for in a basement and potential flood risks. We'll also be having someone from American Home Shield to speak to you about what a home warranty can do for you, and the risks of a flood or the risks of a sump pump failure. And we'll also have an insurance company representative here locally in Sioux Falls talk to you about what coverage you can get. So we want you to know as much as possible about going into an event like this. This is when it becomes critical. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we do. If you sell a home through us, we provide for free an American Home Shield seller's coverage, and it covers off things that like your air conditioning, heating, duct work, plumbing, including stoppages, electrical, and water heaters. Covers those things off during your period when you list with us to the time that you close, and will cover up to $2,000 of expenses that you might incur during that period of time. So you really want to think about listing your home with us, because that is an incredible added value that we bring to the table. But in addition to that, if you're buying a home and you are thinking about insurance, home warranty, what does it cover, what doesn't it cover, I want to direct you to to call me, 605-906-8976. That's my direct phone number. And what we recommend, if you're buying a home, we recommend at least getting the Shield Essential program from American Home Shield. Oftentimes, sellers will include this home warranty if you ask for it. If not, sometimes you can split the cost 50-50 or pay for it 100% by yourself. If you have, especially if you're a first-time home buyer, you don't have a lot of money in the bank. If you're experienced a failure of a furnace or an air conditioner, it can set you back thousands of dollars. This can take care of it for just simply a $75 service fee plus the cost of the home warranty. Really is a great thing to have. But when we get to the issues of what will cover if I get a flood event like this, you need a flood insurance that will cover these type of events. And I encourage you to look at your policy. It's a little too late for this event, but it may not be too late for the next event. So have a robust conversation with your insurance agent. And in fact, you may find that there is no coverage for an event like this. So the best way to cover yourself is to make sure that your exterior of your home slopes away 6 inches minimum slope for the first 10 feet away from your structure. That's a common thing that you'll see from inspectors that we use to encourage that. Make sure that your gutters and downspouts are free and clear. Make sure that you have an extension at least 5 foot from your downspout pointing in the opposite direction. And so you want to make sure that you do that. So those are really the big things. If you have a sump pump and you have make sure that it's working. and also, and it's plugged in if it's electric. And then make sure that your sump pump hose is out far enough away from the home, at least 10 foot away from the home, to be highly functional for you. It's almost 5 minutes. Our time is nearly done. This is David Shelton, Century 21 Advantage, broker here at this company. Call me anytime with any of your questions, 605-906-8976. We'll see you next time on 5 and 5. This is David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage in Sioux Falls. Be sure to join us every Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. Central Time for our 5 and 5 live broadcast. You'll sure to find great information there. Be sure to invite your friends and family to our 5 and 5 live broadcast every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time.